Today I would like to teach you how to make this beautiful candy can border, which looks so beautiful on this corner to corner blanket. So this candy can border is perfect for a blanket to spice it up a little bit and give it a little bit more of a feature and eye-catching experience.
Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts.
In order to get started with the candy can border, you simply attach your yarn, whichever color you like. You can have two colors, you can have more than two colors. I prefer doing two colors because it makes this border more eye-catching, but feel free to use more colors. I also skipped a stitch in between because this yarn that I used for this specific blanket is a little thicker than the yarn that was used to make the blanket. So that's why I skipped a stitch in between. So if you notice that when you make the candy can border and you notice something like this happening, that means that you are too close to each other between these hills of the candy can border. So space it out a little bit more so that the entire border lays flat. So once you attach your yarn, this would be the same situation as here. You chain 4, and then you let go. You pick up your other yarn, and you attach it. In my case, I skip a stitch right here. So you attach it as a single crochet, and again chain 4. Again, let it go and pick up your other color again. So you're switching back and forth between the two colors, and then again doing a single crochet and chain of 4. Pick up the other color again, single crochet, chain of 4. So you continue this until you reach the corner, and in the corner we do one additional little thing. If you're using more than one color, I would suggest you make it more than a chain of 4 so that you can spread it out further. You have to test that out though to make sure that it's spread out evenly and it doesn't do any waves, additional waves, and it actually lays flat. So once you reach the corner, you're going to place 2 stitches into the corner instead of 1 stitch per stitch, or in my case, I'm skipping a stitch right here. I will not skip a stitch. I'm putting them right into the same one, okay? So I do my single crochet, I chain 4 and let go, and pick up my other yarn again. By the way, you're going to have to unravel your yarn once in a while so that you can continue crocheting normally. So as you can see, right in that corner stitch, I'm going to place as another stitch with that other color. So they're both in the same stitch, as you can see here. Chain of 4. Pick up my other yarn again, and then continue on until I reach the end. So now once I reach the end, I now need to reconnect over here. So I pick up here my red yarn, and I simply slip stitch. Because I already made my 4 chains over here, I just simply need to slip stitch right here, and this I will cut off then and weave in my ends. Now I'll do the same thing with the black one. So there we go. And once you're finished, all you have to do is weave in your ends. So make a slip knot so it's nice and tight. Do that for both of the colors. And then I weave in my ends and I'm ready to go, and then my entire border is ready. And that is how the candy can border is made. I hope this video was helpful on how to do the candy can border. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell for any future videos. You'll get a notification the next time I'm going to be live here on YouTube or publish a new video. Until next time, I'll see ya. Bye!